Hi, mommies. Welcome to the workshop on overcoming screen addiction in children of age group 8 to 14 years. So, before getting into the workshop, I would request you all to share the experience of like what made you to join this workshop. What is your purpose? So, let's start with Ridhima.
Yeah, hi. Can you see me?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. So, my purpose is I have two growing children. One is nine, one is 10 and 11. So,
Hmm.
and this is the age where they start getting addicted to games and screen. So, yeah,
Right.
this came along and that was very interesting. So,
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much for joining. Let's move to Gunavanti. Are you available now? If not, you can put in the chat box as well. Okay, so let me share my introduction. I'm Lata Tatir. I'm a psychologist and a parenting coach. I have 4 years of experience in this industry, and I have conducted 500 plus workshops and have served 1,500 plus clients through my company Lata's Mind Hub, which provides counseling, coaching, and certification programs. And today, as we are focusing on screen addiction, on request from moms, I have come up with this workshop. Usually, I focus more on moms' mental well being because I feel that if mom's mental well being is like directly proportional to the child's mental well being, a happy mom can raise happy child. But on request that most of the moms are like dealing with this screen addiction problems in their children, so on request we have come up with this workshop. So let me guide you all through this workshop, and if you have any queries, feel free to put in the chat box or we will have a Q&A at the end. Okay, so just let me know if you are all able to see my screen. Yeah, can you see my screen?
yes.
Okay. So let's understand what exactly is screen addiction. See, screen addiction is nothing but characterized by a loss of control over the usage of these screens, leading to negative consequences in various aspects of a person's life. See, now as the children are born in the digital world, okay, they will definitely use the screen, right? They are born in this world, they have to use. But if there is a loss of control over the usage of screen, if there is no screen limit and they are using it for hours and it is leading to negative consequences in their life, then definitely it is a concern. Then we can characterize as it screen addiction. So what are the signs of screen addiction in children? So there are few things which I have listed out. Once I read it out, I would request you all to share what are the signs you are able to see in your child as well. Okay, because first we have to see the signs, and then based on that we have to help our children to limit the screen usage. So first is excessive screen time, second is withdrawal symptoms, like they don't want to go out and play, or they want to be isolated at only at home watching either TV, mobile, or iPad. Neglect of responsibilities, okay, social isolation, lack of interest in other activities, favor of screens, decline in academic performance, loss of sleep, physical health issues, secrecy and lying, neglecting personal hygiene. This is a major problem which I have seen, which moms usually complain me, is negative personal hygiene and neglect of responsibilities, especially in teens. Okay, they're so much engaged in playing video games that children are doing this, and there are a lot of mood swings and loss of real world goals. Okay, so let me stop the screen share and let's discuss what are the signs you are able to see in your children. Yeah. So can you mention like what signs you are able to see in your child? See, here we are not blaming our children. It's just that as a parent, we need to see those signs to guide them on the right path to limit the screen usage. Okay. So let's start with Ridhima. Can you mention two or three points which you are able to see as a signs of screen addiction in
Um,
your
so I do see
child?
that academically, he's less interested.
Just a second. Okay.
Okay.
Less interested in, sorry, can you?
Academy. Yeah.
Academics, right? Yeah.
Yes. So he is still performing very well, but
Hmm.
yeah, it gives less time to his studies. He used to read a lot. He used to like
Hmm.
to
Hmm.
when he, but now I don't see that. So if there is, even if there is a 5 or 7 minute break, he wants to run and go get that phone or
Hmm. Right. Yeah.
so. That's what I am fighting with. And then
Okay.
sometimes when we do argue on the same thing, that how much phone, and then he will
Hmm.
like, so what is the problem if I complete all my work and then if I have the phone?
Yeah, true, true. Children are very smart. They say
Hmm.
that I have completed all the checklist, all the tasks which is mentioned in the checklist. Then why not? I can have my screen time. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. We will discuss. Definitely, we'll have a solution for this as well. Gunavanti, would you like to share the signs of screen addiction in your child?
Yeah, sure. Hello, hi.
Hey.
Uh, I'd like to share is what whenever the guests are at home,
Hmm.
is we are busy with the guests, and that
Right.
is the moment they flick the mobile and they are into the screen, and we are like 2 hours, 3 hours, we are into the guests busy, and when we see the child is
Hmm.
sitting with the mobile, and
Right.
when we say, "Mama, मैं क्या करूँ," by the
Right.
time and they don't get involved with the guests who have come at home, though
Right.
they are their cousins, aunts,
Hmm.
whatever it is, they will. And whenever suppose we are going for the tour, picnics and all,
Hmm.
there also, suppose I am spending time with my husband, because that's the
Hmm.
time even we spend together. So we
Hmm.
want our children to spend with us, but hardly they be with us, and they are like, हाँ आपको वॉक करना है आप वॉक करो, आपको उधर जाना है आप जाके खेलो, हम है ना रूम में ही बैठे रहेंगे, and they are with the mobiles again.
Right.
That is the
True.
thing. And one more thing is, my son, what is the difference I found in him is, after the screen time usage, he always tells me, "Mama," because I have set one particular time limit for them in a day, like they have to
Hmm.
not more than 30 minutes, like that. So what he says, as
Hmm.
soon as he comes from the school, he says, "Mama," he comes and take the mobile from me, and he says, "मैं आधा घंटा ले लेता हूँ, फिर मैं पढ़ाई करूंगा, फिर मैं homework करूंगा." But when I say him, "You finish it first," he's like, "I cannot finish because in my mind it keeps running. I have to watch mobile. Once I finish it with the mobile, then I'm okay with the studies and all."
The dopamine hormone will
Yes.
release, the pleasure hormone will release.
Yeah, he's like, if not in my mind, back of the mind, oh, I have to see mobile, I have to see mobile. That keeps. So once I'm finished with the mobile, then I can aram se study. I can concentrate in my studies. He says me that.
Right, right. True.
So
These screens are controlling our children's life,
yes,
basically.
and most of the times, like when we are busy with the home course, these children, they take the mobile. We don't get to know also when they take off.
Yeah, they are very
Eh,
smart. I can totally
and
relate.
in between our work, we have to, that mentally, even somewhere in the subconscious mind, even we are alert that, oh, where's my mobile? Okay, it's with my kid
Yeah.
only. So I
Right,
have to scream and ask him to give the mobile again.
right, right. True, true.
Mama, 5 minutes, Mama, 2 minutes. Whenever we ask him, Mama,
Yeah,
just 2 minutes, and that 2 minutes extends to 20 minutes also.
20 minutes. Yeah, very true, very true.
So all this are happening because of the mobiles.
Right.
Now that as the summer holidays are going to start, it's a big task
Ah,
for us to
it's a
handle.
huge challenge. That's why I came up with this workshop before the holiday starts, so
Yes.
that you guys can implement few of the strategies and see whether it's
Yeah.
helping you or not. Yeah.
Yes.
Thanks
Yeah.
for sharing. Let me share the screen and continue.
Yeah.
So the impact of screen addiction, see, we feel that it is impacting only their academic performance, or it is impacting only the relationships, right? Or it is impacting their physical health because they are not having their food on time. But it has a major role in impacting their mental and emotional health. Okay, it has an impact on their on the other areas as well, including creativity, imagination, cognitive development, social development, and delayed developmental milestones, especially in the children below 6 years. Their children are facing virtual autism nowadays because of usage of mobile. And in children with above 8 to 14 years, we can say that their attention span is getting reduced. Their focus and concentration is reducing. They feel that I'm getting bored, what I have to do. They are not thinking out of the box that there are other things they can do instead of using mobile when they get bored, right? अभी क्या करूं, like you said, right? My son used to say the same thing. मम्मा अभी मैं क्या करूं, अभी मैं बोर हो रहा हूँ, अभी तो मुझे मोबाइल ले, मेरे दिमाग यही बोल रहा है कि मुझे मोबाइल लेना है, right? So last year was a huge challenge for me to get him stop playing online games, because due to peer pressure the children will be influenced, right, to play. So it was a huge challenge for me to help my child to stop playing the games. And I would request you all to please have a look at what kind of games your children are playing. Instead of asking them directly, please check. Please check from your own end and try to see what games they are playing. Because you suddenly jump out and jump in and ask them what games you're playing. This is not good for you. They will not realize it. You have to approach. Your approach should be in a different way so that the child will understand that it is you are telling them for their betterment. Okay, so we have to be like, let's say that वो क्या बोलते हैं, हम हाँ बोले तो वो ना बोलेंगे, हम ना बोलेंगे तो हाँ बोलेंगे, right? In that way we have to rephrase and make them understand. Okay, so screen time guidelines. So basically, as per research, there is a screen time limits for different age groups. So for 0 to 2 years, no screen time. Okay, as per American Academy of Pediatrics. As per for 2 to 5 years, 1 hour or less, and for 6 to 18 years, in which 6 to 10 there is 1 to 2 hours per day, and 11 to 18 encourage this consistent screen limits, because obviously they enter into teens and there will be, like they say that I have notes in my mobile to complete, and we never know that how fast they'll complete the notes and they'll jump on playing the games or watch YouTube shorts and all, right? So all these stuffs are going on. So we have to limit the screen usage irrespective of age of children. So setting boundaries for children regarding screen time is a crucial step. Few parents think that just cutting off completely from screen is the solution, but I feel that that is not a solution, because they are born in this digital world. It is a part and parcel of their life, right? So we have to accept that they will use the screen. एक्सेप्टेंस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. पूरे दिन फोन में पड़े रहते हो, पूरा दिन मेरी बात नहीं मानते हो, खाना खाना नहीं है, ये वो, दीज थिंग्स ना, दे इट्स लाइक ओ पूरा दिन मम्मा का सेम ही लेक्चर है, व्हाई आई हैव टू लिसन टू हर, राइट? वो क्या बोलते हैं, ज्यादा हम कुछ समझाने जाते हैं हमारी बातों की वैल्यू खत्म हो जाती है, right? So that is where we have to first accept that my child will use screen. It is a part of his life, he will use it. But setting boundaries is very important, and empowering children to make better choices, and ensure that screens do not dominate their lives to detriment their overall well-being and development. Let's say that even us, we try to scroll social media, Instagram, watching people enjoying lavish holidays, going out there doing vlogs, and we feel that अरे यार मेरी लाइफ ऐसी कैसी है, वो लोग देखो इतना एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, right? We feel depressed, we feel anxious that why my life is not good. So just think that what kind of impact it could bring in your child's life, right? Even at least we share with our friends, or we share with any of the family members who are close to us. But children won't do that much. They will share only with their friends of their age group, and they are not that mature enough to make better choices now, right? So as a parent we have to take the responsibility. So let's do a screen time audit. So as I've already shared that screen time checklist, if you guys have filled it, in that I have already mentioned the score and interpretation. So I would request you all to share that in the chat box, or I have also come up with few more questions so that you can do it in the session as well. Okay, so let's say that how many hours per day does your child spend on screen? Just think about it and answer me. Be honest. See, there is problem, that is why we are coming up with solutions, right? So be honest, how many hours per day your child might be using the screen?
At a stretch, I don't allow him to,
No, not at a stretch, just a total in a day.
few hours.
Okay. Gunavanti?
1.5 hour.
Okay. So, what percentage of their screen time is spent on educational content versus entertainment? In that 1 or 2 hours, whatever you are telling, how many hours are spent on educational content and how many hours they are spending on entertainment?
Mostly entertainment.
Right. They feel that they are just they feel more calm when they watch entertaining videos, right?
Completely, they spend on entertainment only.
Right. Right. Yeah. Does my child become irritable, restless, defiant when asked to turn off their screen? Yeah, this is a huge one, I think so. Yeah, right. Right.
Yes.
We also will be in anger that you have to switch off the TV now itself.
Now itself, yes.
Yeah, always try to understand that our brain is in a mode wherein it will be generating that pleasure hormone, right? So they are enjoying that entertainment. Instantly asking them to switch off will not be the instant solution. They will get irritated, and it will also lead to tantrums, temper tantrums. So what exactly you have to give is you have to give them a 5 minutes of extension, that before, like, let's say that you have given 30 minutes of screen time or 15 minutes of screen time, just before 5 minutes of it you have to start reminding them, and that too with eye to eye contact, not like you are in the kitchen, they are in the living room and they're watching TV and you're yelling, screaming, getting angry. No, please don't do that. Now it's time to build connection with your child if you want to help them to limit the screen usage. Correction will not help. The more you correct, the more the child will go away from you. Start building connection with your child. Okay. And screen time affecting their sleep, social interaction, or outdoor activities. Do you feel that outdoor activities has been reduced or social interaction has been reduced? Their sleep pattern is impacting? Yes or no?
Sleep pattern, not really, but yeah,
Hmm.
socially, yeah. So if there's only adults going out for dinner or anything like that,
Hmm.
they'll say no, we'll skip it. We want to be at home. I'll
Hmm.
watch, but it's not really TV. No, it's games. That's what I'm
Right.
fighting.
Right. Okay. Okay. Yeah, Gunvanti.
Yeah, as of sleep, I think no.
Hmm.
But interacting with outdoor activities is reduced because all the kids, whether we are in apartment or individual
Ah.
houses, they want friends with them. And all, as per today, all kids are more busy with the phones. So no,
Phones. Yeah.
when they go and call, come, we'll play. Either of one will tell, no, da, I'm not coming. No, then even
Hmm.
our child will have the thing to tell ki, mama, no one is coming, so what will I do alone going down? So they have the
Right.
reason, to skip the outdoor activities, and finally they'll end up telling that, okay, now I don't have anything to do, so let me take some time mobile. So
Right.
finally they end up in taking the mobile. Somehow they
Right.
get the reasons.
Very true.
Yes.
Very true.
Yeah.
That Gunmantu reminded is also there are, so sometimes we can control our children, but sometimes when they are going out, so
Yes,
Mhm.
even if
yes.
it's out in a group, and
Hmm.
but other children, their parents just give them the phone ki abhi chup
Yes,
Yeah.
raho.
yes, yes, yes.
We get to social.
Because of their friends also, they, a lot of impact on the kids, because in
Yeah.
Yeah.
our house we might control to some limit, but just
Yes.
Hmm.
because his friend is taking, or his friend's mom is
Hmm.
allowing him to take, so they will also have the same expectation from us.
Right.
Or
Yeah.
they'll
See,
say that
mama,
my friends busy now on the
mama,
phone.
even he's of the same age, his
Yeah.
mom has given him, his mom allows him, why don't you allow me? So all
Hmm.
these questions arises.
Right, very true. Because recently, like my son said me that he went to a birthday party, his friend's birthday party, and he got to know that his parents gave him a mobile as a gift, as a
Oh,
birthday gift.
yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
just at the tender age of 10.
Yeah,
Okay, so he was like, मम्मा मैं आपसे मांग नहीं रहा हूँ, बट
बोल
मम्मा
रहा
ऐसे
हूँ
ही
बस.
था, बोल रहा हूँ कि उनको दिया है.
हाँ,
तो बोले
हाँ,
दिया होगा बेटा. अगर
हाँ.
उस लेवल का like the gift if they are giving it, don't expect from me because
ये
I know at what age you should use all these things. Let it be. तो थोड़ा कुछ हमको उनको बोल के समझाना पड़ेगा कि everything will not be like we can't copy what other people are doing. If we have to copy, then we have to copy each and everything from them, and you will not accept that later.
My
Right.
son says he's just 11 now, completed
Mm.
just 2 days back 11, and
Mm.
he stepped for 12, and my daughter is 16. So my husband was telling now she's completed her 10th, so let us buy,
Mm.
because it will be convenient for us also when we are moving out and
Mm.
all. half the time she's alone at home or wherever it is, so it will be easy for the connectivity. So it's she is stepping to 11, so let us buy her a phone. Okay. And listening to that, my son says, Mama, for Didi you're buying in 10th, no, so for me in 7th it is okay, because Didi's Jamana is old, so you're giving her you're giving her in 10th standard, but now latest you can give me in 7th also, he's telling me. See how the expectations go on
Yeah.
the kids.
Yeah, true. So I just said to my child that उनके पेरेंट्स को पता नहीं होगा कि क्या डेंजरस इम्पैक्ट है मोबाइल का उनके डेवलपमेंट पे, बट आई नो, एंड विथ नोइंग दैट इट इज डैमेजिंग योर ब्रेन और इट इज डैमेजिंग योर हेल्थ, आई कांट गिव इट टू यू. You are getting bored, it's my duty to keep you engaged. I will keep you engaged as much as possible. वैसे. So somewhere we have to like draw boundaries, and instead of like blaming them for using the screen, we have to ensure that we have to set boundaries in a right way, because blaming the child each and every time will not help us. वो और हमसे दूर हो जाएंगे, क्योंकि once they enter into teen they will not even ask permission. And their sleep pattern will also get affected. Right. So making healthy choices before getting into teens is very important, because at that time there are a lot of other challenges they have to face. Puberty challenges, hormonal imbalance, peer pressure, right? So this is a right time. 8 to 14 is the right time wherein we can help our children to make right choices. So let's say that if my child is like he was very much interested in cricket, but the problem was he was very much engaged in online games as well. So I just asked him, ki, as a mother, I can tell you that cricket is the best thing to do because you can go outdoor and play. You can create a career that is later, that is at a later stage. That we'll not discuss now. So it's that point of view. So you decide whether you want to sit at home and play online for the whole day, or whether you want to go outside and build your physical and mental health as well. Because a sport is very important, which will help our children in building both, because that will help them in building discipline, learn teamwork, all those things will be there. He's like cricket, so then you have to make a choice. You make a choice what is right for you. So when you give a percentage of responsibility to take the decision, instead of giving advice and advice, give them an option to take the decision. That will also make them feel important, and they will start listening to you. Okay. So here, if your answer is highlighting concern, then you have to reset screen habits for healthier balance. So what are the practical tips you can follow? First is start by having an open and honest conversation with your child about importance of balancing screen time and potential consequences of excessive screen usage. Okay. So that, what do you think? Ask them more questions, and you talk less. Let them share their opinion. Okay. Just try to understand and validate their feelings, because when they see कि 10 लोग देख रहे हैं, तो एक अगर देखे बिना बैठेगा तो उसको भी अजीब लगेगा, तो वो भी यूज करेगा. Right. So that is the problem. But when you communicate with your child, you will know what exactly is making them to do certain things. Then you give your suggestions and tell them what do you feel about it. आपको मेरे opinion कैसे लगे, इसमें कौन सा use करना आपको सही लग रहा है. Let's sit together and decide accordingly. It is a kind of a collaborative effort you have to do. Second is involve your child. Include your child in the process of setting boundaries. Ask for their input and discuss the limits together, so that they feel a sense of ownership in the decision making. Because when they take their own decision, they will feel that, okay, I have taken the ownership, I have to try to do it. Let's say that agar aapne bola hai 30 minutes, okay, and first day they watch for 40 minutes, then slowly they are reducing it. Appreciate that effort. Appreciate those small effort. Only then there will be the reduction of screen time. Establish clear rules. Create clear specific rules for screen time. Define when and where screen time is allowed, and where it is permitted, not permitted, and which activities are acceptable. All these you have to discuss. Don't feel that okay, मैंने इस टाइम पे बोल दिया कि तुमको ये नहीं खेलना है, वो तुरंत नहीं खेलना है. ऐसा नहीं होता है. You have to discuss it prior, so that their brain is ready to listen to it and ready to accept that. Okay. So here, for example, here you can screen time. Sorry, just a second. Specific rules in the sense like brain likes routine. Okay. अभी सोचो कि आप ब्रश, वंस यू वेक अप वी ब्रश आवर टीथ, राइट. लेकिन मैं बोलूं गुणवंती और रिधिमा आपको कि नहीं यार, आज आपका मन करेगा तब ब्रश करो. यू ब्रश एट 10 o'clock, यू ब्रश एट 3 o'clock. अगर रूटीन नहीं रहेगा तो यू विल ब्रश एट एनी टाइम, राइट? बट योर ब्रेन इज लाइक्स अ रूटीन एंड यू फॉलो दैट एवरी डे. एक दिन भी रूटीन बिगड़ गया, लेट्स से दैट मंडे टू फ्राइडे बहुत अच्छा रहता है क्योंकि बच्चे स्कूल जाते हैं तो एवरीथिंग इज स्केड्यूल्ड. सैटरडे संडे एवरीथिंग इज जम्बल्ड अप बिकॉज एवरीवन वेक्स अप लेट, दे हैव देयर ब्रेकफास्ट लेट. Yes or no? In the same way, you have to, whenever you are giving that 30 minutes screen time or 20 minutes screen time, set a time, set a schedule at what time they are allowed to use it. Okay, so that they are prepared that they have to watch at that point of time. On weekends, be bit flexible because they are getting more time. Okay, and
Okay.
I'll talk about summer holidays also later on how to keep them engaged and all. So let's say that if you want to give a time, you can mention that 3 o'clock, 3 to 3:30, you can watch, or that 30 minutes break into two part. If they are free the whole day, 3 to 3:15, and again 7 to 7:15. In that way, तो एक टाइम टेबल जैसा बना रहेगा तो they will be able to accept that. And but involve your child and ask them their opinion what time they want. And if you feel that that is not a right time, give the option why you feel that it is a not one. मैंने बोल दिया, मैं आपकी मम्मा हूँ, मैंने जैसा बोला आपको वही करना पड़ेगा. No, even if they will listen to you and do, they will do it for 1 or 2 years. Once they enter into teen, they will not be able to, they will not listen to you. They will make their own choices. So start giving them to make the choices from now itself. Set age appropriate limits, which we have already discussed. Create a screen time schedule. As I mentioned, homework, chores, physical activity, leisure, all these things you have to plan a schedule. Irrespective of gender, household chore responsibility should be given to your child. ऐसा नहीं है कि लड़का है तो ये नहीं कर सकता, लड़की है तो उसको यही करना है. नो. When they do the household chore, it will help them to understand the importance of responsibility. कितना मेहनत उसमें जाता है. They will start respecting you as a mom who handles everything at home, right? So when you give them a responsibility, let's say that grocery list, okay, making a grocery list, or budgeting कि इतना रुपए है इसमें ही आपको एक grocery list बनाना है, and decide the amount कि कितना हो रहा है, ये सारा सामान उसमें आ जाएगा क्या, right? So get them involved in household chores. They'll become more smart. They will focus, they will understand the struggle of money, of how much effort his dad or mom are putting to earn that money, right? So please do that. Then just a second. So use screen time as a reward, as not a right that you have the right to use. No, use it as a reward for completing the chores or homework. Let's say that you have set 30 minutes of screen time for the whole day. If they do their household chores, give extra 5 minutes to them. कि आप extra 5 minutes use कर सकते हो because you have completed the other task. This encourages responsibility and time management. Be consistent. See, when you're engaged with your guest, you have to make sure that your child is engaged too. आपका मोबाइल आपको पासवर्ड लॉक डालना ही पड़ेगा. Or you have to set the timer that after this the mobile should be locked, or few apps which you don't want your child to use, you have to lock that as well. So you have to use parental controls. Okay, only then though they will understand that, they will accept that कि ये ऐसा ऐसा ही होगा तो हम यूज नहीं कर सकते. And also discuss with all your family members if you stay in joint family that you are setting these rules and you need support from each and everyone. ऐसे नहीं कि मम्मा ने मना कर दिया और पापा ने उठा के मोबाइल दे दिया बच्चे को, ये नहीं होना चाहिए. और उसमें हमको ये बोले मैं तो नहीं देती हूँ और आप दे देते हो करके हमको लड़ाई नहीं करनी है. We have to collaborate. So don't blame other family members. Talk to them prior making the rules so that you will get a right support for your child. क्योंकि बच्चा हर मेंबर घर के हर मेंबर से सीखता है. Okay. Model responsible screen usage. So as a working mom or a homemaker, we have certain work which we have to complete on mobile as well, right? So we also have to be responsible. We can't say that oh मैं बड़ी हूँ मैं बहुत ज्यादा यूज करूंगी तुम बच्चे हो तुम कम यूज करोगे. No, you have to also explain कि बच्चा if you are following the rule, I will also try to follow the rule as per my age appropriate screen time. Okay, so that will make them feel that they are not alone who is following the rule, and even you will model that behavior. Okay, and you will say that आप अगर extra use करोगे तो you will get the punishment. Punishment should be not in the kind of yelling, hitting and all. You should give a punishment like taking away any reward which they like, so that the next time they will follow the rule. The same thing applies to you as well. Let's say that मैंने से किया कुछ काम था, I used the screen for 10 more minutes. My child, he remembered, मम्मा आपने extra use किया, अभी तो आपको punishment मिलेगा. So he made me not use the mobile the next day. That 10 minutes was been deducted, and he reminded me कि आपको इतने time ही use करना है आज. Okay, so when you, that is a kind of a challenge we have to play with our children. Okay, and create screen free zones. Which are the screen free zones? Dinner table, bedroom. Okay, these two should be screen free zones. You should not use the screens over here. This will encourage real world interaction and quality family time. Okay, so that is what, as you said, that when you go out with family for a picnic, there literally, when you want to spend your me time or when you want to spend time with your children, make sure you switch off the mobile. If there is no emergency, at least you can switch off your mobile for 1 or 2 hours and take the children out. That we have come here to spend time, we will do that, not focusing on screen time. And use parental controls, encourage alternative activities like sports, hobbies, discuss online safety. See, there are a lot of risks nowadays, it's going on, right? Like playing online games, they can chat with strangers, right? And those strangers are using children to take out money from the parents' account, okay, to play the games and all. So a lot of things are going on. So instead of making them feel that okay, they are doing something crime by playing a game, you should just give the information that see, these kind of things are happening around us. What do you feel about it? What is your opinion? So when you teach your child something like a conversation, in a form of conversation rather than blaming them, they will understand it in a right way. ओके, सो आपका एनर्जी पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए जब आप कुछ भी समझा रहे हो. No negativity. And review the content your child consume to ensure it is age appropriate and aligned with your family values. This is very, very important. Whatever games, online games they play, whether it is a violent game or not, all those things you have to find out and then talk to your child with open communication and make them understand. Reward positive behavior, address resistance, expect that there will be resistance. 100% बच्चा बात मान के आपका ये करेगा वो नहीं करना है. Expect that there will be resistance, especially initially. At that point of time, you have to be patient, you have to be empathetic. Like let's say that my child says, "Mama, आपने तो मेरा screen पूरा Sunday को बंद ही करा दिया." That day something was there and we did not allow him to use the screen for the whole day. I told, सब बच्चे करते हैं, I didn't tell him like that. I told that I can understand. You might be feeling like, yeah, why I am not able to use mobile today? Why everyone is stopping me? I know this resistance will come. It's fine. It's normal. ये चीज से एक बार आप पार हो जाओगे तो you will feel more calm. जैसे हमने मोबाइल कंट्रोल किया, you start reading books. You started listening to audio books. Okay, but with my like parenting control, with the help of one of my relative, he just switched on the audiobook and he was not able to use the screen, but he was listening to the audio because he was not feeling like opening the book and reading it at that point of time. And then we played a music on Alexa and he was dancing on that. So I just asked him that, do you want to just sit for hours and watch these things, or do you want to enjoy other things which are out there in the world? Right, he was like, I want to do, but my brain always asks me to watch these things. So that is where you have to ask the question to your child is, do you want your brain to control you or do you want to control your brain? He said, मैं किसी के कंट्रोल में नहीं आना चाहता हूँ, I want to control my brain. So that they can start by limiting the screen usage. Okay, and if you feel that the things are going out of your hand, then you have to seek professional help if necessary. So screen-free activities, which you can keep through which you can keep your children engaged, are outdoor activities like nature walks, picnics, biking, hiking, campaigning, gardening, playground time. See, all these things, as the summer holidays have come up, you have to look for the things because there are a lot of companies, travel agencies are coming up with these activities for age appropriate children. So you have to find out and you have to ensure that you have to enroll your child to these kind of things because these will give them real life experiences. If they sit at home, they will definitely use the screen, right? So get them out of the home and let them experience all these outdoor activities. And there are a lot of creative activities as well. Okay, you can engage them there, puzzle, board games. So you can set that weekly, once on weekend, if you your husband and children are free at that point of time, you have to make a family time. There you can play like puzzle, board game, wherein you can interact with your child and they will also be playing with fun. And there are volunteer work, okay, like taking them to an NGO so that they will feel that how grateful their life is, right? They are blessed to have parents who are giving them all the things, all the luxuries which they have in their life. So as a human being, they have the responsibility to help the people who are in really in need, right? So then they will feel that अरे यार मैं स्क्रीन में कहाँ टाइम वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ, मेरे लाइफ का पर्पस है बहुत सारा कि मुझे ये भी करना है, लोगों की हेल्प करनी है, और आई वांट टू अचीव समथिंग इन माय लाइफ. इट्स नॉट लाइक पर्पस ऑफ लाइफ विल नॉट कम एट सर्टेन एज कि 18 के बाद समझ में आएगा, 20 नो. कुछ बच्चों को अर्ली बे में समझ में आ जाता है कि मुझे लाइफ में क्या करना है. इफ दे हैव दैट गोल, नो, दैट क्लैरिटी, दैट विल डिटैच देम फ्रॉम स्क्रीन ऑटोमेटिकली. So as a parent, we have to make sure that motivate our children to do certain things for others. Be more kind, be more helpful, but helpful with boundaries. बहुत ज्यादा भी हेल्प नहीं करना है कि लोग लेजी बन जाए, right? So you have to do that. Then engage them with physical activities, enroll them for any sports or yoga, swimming class, or any obstacle course, family fitness. So somewhere you have to plan these things so that you can engage your child with which will contribute to their physical development, because this is the age wherein they will grow physically as well, right? But if they sit at home, their physical growth will be limited. But if they go out and do some workout and get enrolled in sports and all, they will be able to overcome. Okay, so these are the things which you have to plan. First is start with open communication, then engage them in discuss about the rules which you want to set, ask them what rules they want to set. ओके, एंड देन मिडिल पाथ आपको सेलेक्ट करना है. ऐसे नहीं कि मैं मम्मा हूं, मैंने बोल दिया वही होना है. नो, व्हाट इज राइट, सेट दैट मिडिल पाथ. लेट्स से दैट यू आर सेइंग 20 minutes, द चाइल्ड इज सेइंग 40 minutes. कम इन द मिडिल पाथ की 30 minutes, तो खुश हो जाएगा कि आपके टाइम से भी आपने 10 minute एक्स्ट्रा दिया है. Okay, so build more connection, be more empathetic, avoid using negative words to your child if they use screen a lot. Talk to them. उनको ऐसे जब आप इमोशनली पास में बैठ के जब ऐसे सहलाते हैं ना, so they will feel that warmth. They will feel that my mama is understanding what I am going through. क्योंकि हम भी इस era में पैदा होते, we would have also have used the screen in that way, right? But we have born in different era where we have experienced our life without screens as well, so it's easy for us to limit. But for our children, we they need our support. हम भी उनको blame करेंगे तो उनको support कौन करेगा, right? Yeah. So as I mentioned all these things, if you feel that, let's say that, do you feel helpless when your child refuses to put down their screen on your own, and is excessive screen time affecting your child's studies or mood? Do you feel that whatever the tips I've already shared, you find difficulty in implementing it alone with your child? Then I am here to help you with my 30-day screen freedom program. Okay, wherein I will be helping you to guide your child to break free from screen addiction in a fun and stress free way. Okay, because moms are already been engaged with lot of things at home. In spite of knowing certain things, they are not able to implement with the right strategy. They need someone who could guide them with tasks and motivate them to do with their child. And wherever they face challenge, they need a support to rely on ki, ma'am, this challenge is there, let help me how to overcome it. So that what will happen when you work with a coach, you will be able to get the results faster. I'm not telling you the tips which I have shared, which you will do it on your own and will not get the results. You will get the results if you practice it consistently. You have to be consistent, but you will be when you do it on your own, you will not be consistent sometimes because of other responsibility. But when you work with a coach, we will make sure that you should be consistent with your child. And I'm trying to help moms through this. On week 1, first we will focus on awareness and reset. Week 2, replacing the screens with meaningful activities. Week 3, boundaries and discipline without power struggles. The huge challenge nowadays we are facing as a parent is disciplining our children. Discipline is something which will help in thriving in all the areas of their life, right? So we will focus on that. And week 4, long term sustainability and social connection. As you know that people who are socially more connected and interactive, they achieve more things in their life, right? Because they are expressive. And without networking with people, we can't build a thriving career, right? We have to connect with people, yes or no? Yeah. But the children who are using lot of screens and trying to isolate themselves, it is very difficult for them. So that is where in week 4 we are focusing on this part. So how I will be helping through this program is every week we will be having a 45 minutes of session wherein I will be teaching you practical strategies to reset screen habit. Okay, so in that 30-day program, 4 interactive live sessions will be there. Okay, one session per week. And in that duration, we will be having 2 additional Q&A sessions if you have any challenges. Okay, let's say that if you have any challenge before the Q&A scheduled session, you can post it in the group and we will answer it as well. But we will also have a live session to clear your doubts and we will give you simple doable activities to implement immediately in your daily chores so that you will be able to help your child. Proven parenting tools wherein positive strategies to reduce screen dependency. Okay, and a community support will be there wherein you can connect with like-minded moms on the same journey, because we feel that oh मेरा ही struggle है, मेरा बच्चा ही ऐसा कर रहा है, मैं कैसे manage करूंगी, right? So you will be able to connect with like-minded moms so that you can thrive this journey. So the actual fees of this program is 9,999, but the discounted offer which I'm offering is 4,999. So with this amount, you will be able to limit the screen usage of your child if you practice all the activities consistently with our support, because we will review it. It's not like if I'm teaching you activities and asking you to do, we will not check on with you whether you did or not. You have to update us each and every day, and within the 30-day you will be able to see the major change in your child about limiting the screen usage. The frequency of screen usage will definitely reduce. Okay, so you can avail this discounted price by just reserving the slot amount of 999 rupees. The rest payment can be done within 4 days of this 999 rupees payment. So batch size is limited because I don't believe in quantity. I believe in quality work. Okay, if there are limited people in the batch, we will be able to concentrate on individual challenges and give them solutions accordingly so that they can get the outcome what they are expecting of. So this was about my workshop, and let's move on to Q&A session. If you have any queries, feel free to ask me.
I do actually.
Yeah.
So you said that give your child those 5 minutes to then start switching off
हाँ,
the. So I've tried that,
हम्म,
and then
हम्म,
I end snatching the phone is
हम्म,
because 5 minutes खत्म नहीं होता है ना.
हाँ, right. Right. See that 5 minutes in the sense, like if they have done the homework or if they have done the household chores, that 5 minute with timer you will be giving. And if you take the phone back, if they are not giving and you have taken the phone back, you have to give them a punishment that the next day they will not be using the screen. So with every screen boundary which you are trying to set, there will be resistance from child's end. We can't expect 100% result for outcome from our children because they are children, right? But while doing it, when you are consistent with your rules, when you are consistent with the punishment, when you are consistent with the rewards, they will accept slowly. Their brain starts accepting, oh abhi मैं use करूंगा, मम्मा मेरा कल screen पूरा lock कर देगी. And with family support you have to do. फैमिली से पहले
Yes.
पूरा बात करके करना है, क्योंकि इट शुड नॉट बी कि आपने दी नहीं दिया दूसरा ने दे दिया, देन यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू हेल्प योर चाइल्ड. So always talk to your family that I want all your help to limit the screen usage for the betterment of our child. They will definitely help you in that process. तो ऐसे करना है. Punishment हर मतलब जो भी चीज वो फॉलो नहीं करते, there should be a consequence. While setting the rules, write the consequences list. I do that. I do that. Let's say that my child likes to go to cricket coaching. मतलब बारिश आए तूफान आए फिर भी उसको क्रिकेट कोचिंग जाना ही है. बारिश में भी मुझे लेके जाता है कि आप ड्रॉप करो. Okay, so one day he used the screen for 15 minutes extra because I was engaged with a household chore. अगले दिन मैं नहीं लेके गई. I told तुम रो धो कुछ भी करो. If you are not respecting what rules I am setting, I will not also listen to what you want to do. राइट. सो उसको समझ में आ गया, मम्मा ने बोल दिया तो ये रूल्स करना ही पड़ेगा. So the next day he was very mindful. So you have to think what are the things are interesting for your child and use that as a consequence by taking those privileges. और ये चीज हमको लगता है कि हाँ मेरे दिमाग में सब कुछ याद है, लिखना क्यों है? नो, यू हैव टू राइट, यू हैव टू रिव्यू. Okay, so that is where I have come up with this program wherein I will make you to do all those things in the session so that it is ready for you to implement with your child. And wherever you face challenge, and it's not like formula है कि a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, ऐसा नहीं होगा, है ना? ये रियल लाइफ है, इसमें ऊपर नीचे थोड़ा तो चलेगा. So whatever the challenges you will face, I am there to guide you. Because our motto is not to cut off the screen from our child's life. Our motto is to reduce the frequency of usage of screens in our child's life. Okay. So we will focus on that motto because teens होने के बाद में फोन वो लेंगे ही लेंगे. तो अभी आप कट ऑफ कर भी दोगे तो भी you can't cut off that from their whole life for the rest of their lives, right? We have to teach them taking better decisions, taking better choices, where to stop, when to stop, what is acceptable, what is not, what is dangerous. Awareness बहुत important है बच्चों के लिए. ओके, तो पेरेंट्स के लिए क्या होता है, ऑलरेडी दे आर एंगेज विथ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, तो वो ओवरवेलमिंग हो जाता है खुद से करने के लिए. खुद से करके भी ट्राई करके देख सकते हो, बट इफ यू फील दैट यू नीड गाइडेंस देन आई एम हियर विद दिस प्रोग्राम. सो यू टेक द डिसीजन विच एवर इज कन्वीनियंट ऑप्शन फॉर यू.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much for joining. And still, if you have any more queries, you can book a free consultation call with me. Wherein, yeah, Gunmati, you're on mute.
Yeah, one thing I would like to ask is,
Yeah.
as you said, if they, as a reward, you extend 5 minutes or whatever it is. So, will it not lead to a wrong habit? Because they will always expect कि mama 10 minutes extra देना, mama 5 minutes extra देना. मैंने आज ये किया ना ऐसे.
नहीं. When you set the rules, let's say that screen तो एक ही चीज है ना? बाकी 5 चीजें होगी कि पढ़ाई भी है, हाउस होल्ड चोर्स भी है, सर्टेन थिंग्स. तो वो अगर आप 4 चीजें कर रहे हो, बेस्ड ऑन 4, 1 मिनट एक्स्ट्रा होके वो 5 मिनट्स एक्स्ट्रा मिल रहा है. वो 5 मिनट से ज्यादा अगर आप हर बार बोलोगे मैं 10 मिनट दे दूंगी, फिर 20 मिनट दे दूंगी, वो नहीं करना है.
हाँ.
वो चीज उधर आपको बाउंड्री सेट करना जरूरी है. हियर यू आर ट्राइंग टू जस्ट मोटिवेट द चाइल्ड टू, बिकॉज वो उनका इंटरेस्ट एरिया है. हमको उनको बिगाड़ना नहीं है उधर कि आज आपने 10 काम कर दिए तो 10 मिनट दे दूंगी, ऐसा नहीं है. कुछ भी करोगे टोटली आपको 5 मिनट्स एक्स्ट्रा मिलेगा, बट नॉट इन दैट ड्यूरेशन वेयर दे आर वॉचिंग. ब्रेक के बाद में जो और टाइम है, दूसरा स्केड्यूल है, लाइक 7:30 जो डिसाइड किया है, उसके बाद में 9 o'clock अगर वो सोने नहीं जा रहे और लेट सो रहे, तो 9 o'clock को आपको 5 मिनट्स का सेपरेट देना है.
Okay.
एक्स्ट्रा जो एडिशनल टाइम जो रेगुलर टाइम है उसमें ऐड मत करिए, बिकॉज वो तो
मामा
फिर
मैं अभी ले लेता हूँ 5 मिनट्स अभी ले लेता हूँ फिर.
नो.
और one is actually, कभी उनका गेम चालू है and the 5
हाँ.
minutes are, so they'll say, okay, let this finish. I will
Yes,
use my.
this always happens.
Right.
Just 2 minutes is left, mama. Just 5 minutes is
Yeah.
left. Let me complete.
Yeah.
I'll give it. Sure, I'll give it.
Or
Yeah.
even
See,
if
that
there's
is
a
where
problem.
that
And the
is
last
where
thing-
games are very dangerous. Games are very dangerous because the games are designed. अगर आप YouTube में जाके the psychology of games अगर देखोगे, they are being made to keep you engaged for hours.
Hours.
Okay, so that is where you have to talk about it with your children, how it is ruining your brain, how it is impacting your mental health, physical health. क्योंकि बच्चे जो एक जवाब भी नहीं देते, वो गुस्से में जब हम फोन लेते हैं तो उनके मुंह से क्या निकलता है उनको खुद को भी नहीं पता है, राइट? सो आई इंस्टेड ऑफ ब्लेमिंग माई चाइल्ड आई से दैट बेटा आप ऐसे नहीं हो, आप खुद देखो ये यूज करने से आपका बिहेवियर कैसे चेंज हो रहा है. यू आर बीइंग कंट्रोल्ड बाय योर ब्रेन. These games are controlling your life. Okay, so creating that awareness without forcing them to do those things. ओके सो वो चीज बहुत जरूरी है. सो वी हैव टू बी वेरी माइंडफुल बाय गिविंग देम अवेयरनेस. उनको अवेयरनेस अगर पता चले, लाइक आई शोड वन ऑफ द वीडियो टू माय चाइल्ड एंड ही लिटरली स्टॉप्ड प्लेइंग this Minecraft, Free Fire, all those things because his friends were playing and they asked him to download those game in my mobile. I said no. You just first understand why these games, how these games are made, and how it is keeping you stuck for hours, विच यू कुड डू समथिंग ग्रेट फॉर योर हेल्दी बॉडी. क्योंकि जिंदा रहोगे तो एंजॉय करोगे ना, आंखें अच्छी रहेगी तो दुनिया को देखोगे. एंड यू आर रूइनिंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स बिकॉज ऑफ दिस, राइट? सो इन दैट वे वी हैव टू मोटिवेट. वी शुड नॉट से दैट मैंने बोला है, मैं पेरेंट हूं तो आपको मेरी बात माननी चाहिए. ऐसे नहीं. गिव लॉजिकल एक्सप्लेनेशन. शो देम
But
रियल
what
लाइफ
do you do with
एग्जाम्पल्स.
that? My 2 minutes is pending for the game. Well, how do I stop that? I have to give
टू
those
मिनट्स हाँ,
complete the game.
2 मिनट्स का गेम है तो देखिए वो रूल.
गेम चालू है, अभी और 2 मिनट्स में खत्म होएगा, या मेरा प्रोग्राम चालू है, अभी 10 मिनट्स में खत्म होएगा. यू कैन सी 10 मिनट्स में खत्म होएगा.
No. That is why what I said, if you're giving 15 minutes, okay? तो जैसे 3 o'clock का उसका schedule है, 3:10 को आप रिमाइंड करना स्टार्ट करते हो, 5 minutes left, 4 minutes left, 3 minutes left, 2 minutes. No matter what, 3:15 को लिया जाएगा. They have to accept कि लिया जाएगा, और नहीं दिया, consequences they have to bear. Household chores extra consequences as a consequence दो. फिजिकल एक्टिविटी करने दो, घर का काम करते हुए पोछा लगाने दो, झाड़ू लगाने दो, राइट? दे हैव, इसमें कोई शर्म की बात नहीं है. दे शुड अंडरस्टैंड what work mothers are doing and how difficult it's for father and mother both. If both are working, how it is difficult to sustain in this kind of life. Like it's very expensive, it's not so easy, right? So जब आप वो real struggle दिखाओगे तभी वो फोन में अपना टाइम वेस्ट करना बंद करेंगे. They will do something productive as per their age. वॉलंटियर वर्क तो वो कर ही सकते हैं ना एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ एज. वी हैव टू टेक आउट बिट ऑफ टाइम फ्रॉम आवर बिजी स्केड्यूल टू गिव देम दैट हेल्दी चॉइसेस. ओके, बट एक एज
Yeah.
आने के बाद में फिर वो समझेंगे. बट तब तक हमको एज अ गाइड, एज अ कोच हमारे बच्चों के लिए रहना है, बिकॉज अ मदर
And
इज द बेस्ट गाइड.
right, of course. And also, you said that you showed some video to your son, which you
Yeah.
know, you show him that how those games are really ruining, you
Hmm.
know, their time. And so, which video, can you share that video?
Yeah. I will definitely share. One thing only you need to understand is, कुछ भी आपके बच्चों को आप समझाते हो ना, अथॉरिटी टोन से मत समझो. ओके, एक्सप्लेन द लॉजिकल रीजन विदाउट ब्लेमिंग देम. अक्नॉलेज कि मुझे पता है बेटा आपको देखना बहुत पसंद है, मुझे पता है बेटा आपको गेम खेलना बहुत पसंद है, बहुत खुशी होती होगी आप लोग. यू विल फील हैप्पी दैट यू आर विनिंग द गेम. बट इज इट रियली वर्थ that for that moment of happiness you are ruining your health, you are ruining your emotional intelligence? आपको क्या लगता है? So the conversation, when you make it more respectful, no, as much as possible. कभी कभी हमारा भी टेम्पर हाई होता है, बट वो होने के बाद में यू हैव टू अपोलोजाइज एज वेल, so that they will also learn to do the same. कि it's not like बड़े हो गए तो हम कुछ किसी को कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं, है ना? तो that I have tried with my child, wherein अथॉरिटी टोन से मैं निकल के अगर मैं उसको कोई चीज लॉजिकली समझा रही हूँ तो he did not accept at the first time. He took his own time. I have to be I kept that patience कि एक्सेप्ट करना है मुझे. जो वो अगर 1 साल से खेल रहा है तो मुझे 4 से 5 महीने तो लगे उस चीज से उसको निकालने में. So as a mother, I can't give up on my child, right? Yeah. So we have to we have to keep patience, and family support is very important in this journey. Okay, and trust your children. Trust your children and guide them. That's it. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Take
Thank you
care,
so
and
much.
please do share the review in the main group so that other moms can get motivated and watch this video.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Yeah.